getting a ton of messages from the video I did, Quit Overthinking. Inbox is blowing up. People thanking me. They overthink everything, analysis paralysis. They don't know why. They just feel stuck sometimes. They're getting ready to get ready, just planning on getting ready, thinking about getting ready, and being prepared is important. But there's nothing that's going to replace taking action. There's nothing that's going to replace taking action. And when you take action today, something different could happen tomorrow, which is going to mean you have to maybe switch gears. So planning is always going to be very important, but different things are going to happen. Different wheels are spinning, and you have to move accordingly. And so thinking about it isn't going to get you anywhere. It's not until you take action and move, that's when you're able to progress. So get out of your own head, quit beating yourself up, take action. Doesn't matter how fast you're going, progress is better than doing nothing.